Hello, my name is Beth Boynton, and I am going to lead an exercise called Dignity Exchange. I'm going to ask Elaine and Katherine to come forward, please. And I don't have to say too much about it, but Katherine's going to start in a very high status position, where Elaine will start in a low. Gradually, they will switch places, and then they will find this beautiful, wonderful moment of dignity. Let's watch them. There it is. Can you feel it? Thank you. Carol will lead us in our next movement activity.
So in this movement, there's a story. When the Buddha was born, he took a posture. And that posture was one arm up and the other arm down. He took 7 steps and took this posture. So when you come to the center, there's no up, there's no down. So when you do it again, 1 up, 1 down, it's the center that has the main movement. But for us, we have to come to the center where there's no up and down, so that we remember everything comes from the center. And then the third posture, we have a dance.
So for our third movement, we are gonna do a popular dance, Brazilian dance called forró, for all. It's the translation. So there's always someone leading and someone being led. Here we are going to experience both sides. So please move your body, transfer the weight to one leg to another. Let being led. Close your eyes. And now maybe change positions. Feel how it is to lead and how you feel about being led and being together. And finally, the power of the hug as we have to be together. And we invite you all to get up and also feel the power of the hug. Please hug your neighbor.
All right, who needs a hug? see, because I think that creativity, according to Luke Stafford, is a hidden river. And that's what you tapped into that really shines for all of us. So congratulations, group.